Hey gorgeous gals, welcome back to Contour Image, where I help you build confidence through your image. And today I'm going to do what I like to call princess nails. So let's begin. So I was really wanting to use this Memita nail polish that I got that was like a milky white, so I'm really excited to use it. And at first, when you first apply the first coat, it's gonna look like really nothing's there. But as you continue to apply coats after curing, it will become more opaque, as you saw at the beginning here. So you just want to make sure you do every single nail that you're going to do. I did leave my ring finger for a minute because I'm going to do a little something different with that one. Just remember to clean up the edges before you cure. Otherwise it's going to look not so great. So that's what it looks like after the second coat. And we're going to just do our very last coat. So I put on 3 coats in order to give it this opaque look. Just remember to cap off the top, and I like to just scrape it by one more time. So that is the 3rd coat. Now on to the ring finger, and so I used a coat that I used on a review from other nail polishes that I use, and I'll put that here in the description and up here on the top. And I wanted to make sure that that pink did not affect the white tip, so I just made sure it was completely clean on the tip before I did the white tip. Now I did cure the pink jelly coat before putting on the white milky coat. So I just use a small brush because I don't want it to be super big and clumpy when I put it on, so it's got to be a real nice thin layer, but yet thick enough to kind of give that opaque look. It actually gives it more of a real natural nail with this milky white nail polish. So it looks more real, if you will. Not like I actually painted my nail, besides maybe putting on a top coat. So just remember to clean up the edges before curing. And just a little bit that got on top there of the pink, I want to kind of clean up just a little bit. Okay, so after curing the first coat, I then put on the second coat, and I just kind of do a little at a time here, just to get it all there. So that's what it looks like after I finish with those. The next thing I'll do is put on a top clear coat on all the nails to make them look really nice and cap it off. Then after choosing my sequin diamonds for the rest of my nails, I then took some of the sequin glue, and I like to put it on the side so it doesn't all come out at once, and use something to just kind of dab it on to my nail so that it is very little. You don't want a lot on, just enough to stick on the sequins. So I just use that and put it right on top, and it's so nice. And then I can just kind of organize them once I realized, I tried one look and then I just didn't really quite like it, so I kept moving them around just a little bit, just until I kind of was happy with where I put each sequin. And that sequin glue will cure under the lamp, so it won't even dry till then. And once you finish with all the sequins, that is the final look. So thank you so much for watching me here at Contour Image. I appreciate it, and just remember to stay beautiful for life.